Hello guys, welcome to ICSE Success Zone. I am Sarvesh. Today I have a program. Let's discuss about the program. What is program? First I will try to understand this program. Write a program to create a menu and accept the choice in character form to perform the following. First, in this program I have to take a input character input, and the basis of this character I have to choice. There is three options here. If the user is input capital A or small a, then I have to do different thing, and the user if input capital V and a small v, it work. I have to work different task, and the user if input CR capital C or small c, I have to do this thing. So I will be discuss one by one each. In the first, if user input capital A or small a, so what we will do here in the question saying that input a character and check whether the character is uppercase or lowercase. That means if user input A, so I have to check this, take another character. I have to take input another character, and I have to check this is uppercase or lowercase. That means uppercase and lowercase means capital in the user input given, which is given from coming from the user. It is in capital letter or small letter. Case, uppercase or lowercase. Uppercase means capital letter and lowercase means small letter. And if user input D or small v, then I have to take another character and check it is digit, alphabet or special character. So I have to check character input character is user is digit, alphabet or special character, and print the appropriate statement along the character. That means I have to take, I have to print A is alphabet, as we can say that if user is give input star, then I can star is special character. So this like input. And in the C section, if choice user giving choice here C or small c, then what I will check, I will take another character input, and I have to check this is vowel or consonant. That means vowel is those letters which is A, E, I, O, U. You have already familiar this thing. I have not to explain this in detail. These are vowels, and rest of the alphabets are consonants. So now I am trying to create code this for this program. When I need writing something, I will move on this page to explain these things. And if I need blue j, so I will write blue j. So right now I am moving blue j to write starting code. So I am taking another here program. So I have a previous menu program. So I am taking here menu to menu to. You can take anything as your convenience name, but I'm writing menu to. So first of all, I will write import java dot util dot scanner, so that I can use the scanner class. To use scanner class, we have to import this class scanner. There is a mistake in the spelling of scanner. I am writing again. scanner. I'm written here java dot util dot something mistake here, but I'm doing again java dot util dot dot scan. Here's mistake. Util dot util dot scan. After that semicolon. Now it is correct. After that, I have to create a class. So I'm writing class keyword, and the name of the class is what menu to. Here I am written. So I will also write here menu to. You can give anything as you want the class name, but you have to remember here the rule of identifier to give the name of the class. So I'm writing here main method, right? Main. So if I want to write any program, at least I have a main method. I have to take a method and that is taken here main method. So I'm starting here code to first of all I have to create a scanner class object so that I can use method of this class scanner obj new scanner system.in. I'm written this line because I'm using scanner class method here. I'm use I will use scanner class method. To use scanner class method, I have to write scanner class object. I have to make a object of scanner class so that we can use method of scanner class. Now, first of all, I have to take a choice. Before the taking choice, I have to display a message on the output screen what user want to take, which program user want to run. So first I will format this print. First I will write system dot out dot print ln menu. That means first of all user have a menu, so it will display a menu. I'm copying this code instead of writing many times because it will be also write many times. System dot out dot print. There is something mistake. The print ln print ln. Now it is correct. So I'm again copying this so that I can use copy paste. So I'm again I want to display this enter one to enter one not a capital A or small a to what what we want to do. Input character uppercase or lowercase. So I will write input A or capital A, small a or capital A to check uppercase or lowercase. So first this is first message, and I have three messages. Same message will be different, but have to display three things here. So I am copying this code three times, and in the this section I will be saying different messages. In the second section, what are is telling B are capital B are small b for alphabet digit and special character. So I will write enter B capital B or small b to check what alphabet character or alphabet number or special character. To check alphabet alphabet character, alphabet digit or character special. So this is second message, and third message will be what? Third message will be C for vowel or consonant. So we will write capital C or small c to check what. Here I will check vowel or consonant. Consonant and vowel. So after displaying this message, watching this message, user will take a input here. After this, I will also display a message. You enter your choice. No, not displaying this message because I have given here one for. So user will be press any key according to its choice. Now I have to take a variable which is type is char because here I am taking a character in input. So I will write char ch or choice. I am writing here choice. Here is name of the variable is choice, which is char data type. So I have to taking a character from the keyboard. So I will use a method of scanner class, that is I'm writing complete this line. First of all, I will use object of scanner class, that is obj. I'm created here in this line, and because name is obj, so I'm writing obj. Then now method is scanner class is next, so I'm written here next, and after that I have to write here next not is enough for a input character. Next dot char 80 char 80 char 80. You have to watch clearly spelling of this because some students make mistake to write this 0. This is the complete code for taking a character from the keyboard. You can write, but here is you have to change. You want to change. You need a change because you if you create different object name, so you have to change this object name. So this is the way you can take a character input from the keyboard. So on the basis of this character, I have tried to case. So I will use switch and switch. In this I have to take variable name on which depend the all cases. After that I have to mention the all cases. First of all I will write case 1. Case 1. In the case 1 I have to write complete code of the first program. So in this program, what user will be, what program is saying that input a character and check it is lowercase or uppercase. So I will making code for this program. So first of all, I have to take another character. So I will write this code again because I am taking again a character from the user. So I'm pasting here, but here I have to remember one thing. I have a take with different variable. So I am taking here ch. For here I have taken the choice variable and I have to take another variable to take input. Now I will use here if statement. If ch is, I have to check this is capital letter in small letter. So I have to check, it is so easy. Ch is less than, ch is greater than. If ch is greater than or equal to capital A and ch is less than or equal to capital Z, and sorry, or here we will use or. I'm I will explain it why I'm writing here and here is or. Ch is should be greater than or equal to small a and ch is less than or equal to cap small z. This is complete line to check anything or it's alphabet or not. It will be alphabet. So if input is alphabet, so I will use display message. So here I am checking just given input is alphabet or other thing. So if any character is less than capital A and smaller than capital Z, that means is in the capital letter, and anything which is greater than anywhere capital A and less than, sorry, small a and small z. I have to take capital and small both, and here is adding or operator because only if this statement is true, I want to true, and if this statement is true, then I want to true. So using this, because the or need, we will use here or operator. You can put this in the bracket. So If this statement will be true, that means input variable is what? This is alphabet. And this statement is false, that means given input is not a alphabet. So I have not to check the capital case, uppercase or is lowercase. So else we will write else section system.out.print. Sorry, it's not system. I'm typing here system.out print ln. This is input is not neither uppercase nor lowercase. I'm writing this code because if user is not giving any alphabet, then this code will be less because star has or any special character. These are neither lowercase or uppercase. If user will be input give input alphabet, so I will check it is uppercase or lowercase. So now I have in the this if section I have to check given input is capital letter or small letter. So I will write again nested of if in this program and write this complete code. If this statement will be true, that means it stays in capital letter. So I will copy this. I will display message but if this is input character, that means ch and plus operator in capital uppercase. This is in uppercase. Uh, else, sorry, it will be plus statement. This is correct, but what is here? We will close this thing. It is correct. Else, we can write this is in lowercase. Sorry, else will be outside from the if. This is if block, and after if block, I will write here else. Else in the else section, I will write display here is in lowercase because if this statement will be false, that means it will be lowercase. So that I will understood this code. Now I after that I will close this message, this case break, and I will write again a different case. Sorry, it will be not case A, it will be case one, it will be case A because user will be give a character value. and a character value, it will be always in single quotes. So I have to write here single quotes, and same code for capital A. So I will write equals this also here. It will be capital A. You can write two case together, and after that you write code if both case follow the same code, or you can say both case body will be same, then you can write both case same time, and after that write code. After that you can take as your need. After that I will write case B, case B, and case capital B, and write both together. Now in the this case, what I will write, first of all I will create a block, and created block is putting this in also a block, so that easy to understand. This is case A, this is the code for case A. After that break, and this is, will be entire code for the case B. So I will write case B. What is in case B? Case B, we have to take a character and check digit, alphabet or special character. So to check this, first of all I have to take input a character. So I will also write taking character value, and this will be variable will be changed. And before taking character value input, I have to display message enter a character. So I'm copying here system.out print to writing again system.out. Now enter a character, enter a character, and after that this message should be in the case A also. So I am pasting here again. Now we have taken input in the ch variable. Now we can check in the similar way which I used in the previous. This is alphabet, character or digit. So if ch1 is less than a to z, so I will use if statement. If ch1 is greater than capital A, and ch1 less than ch1 less than ch1 is less than small z. Sorry, it will be z. And here will be, we will use or operator because alphabet may be capital letter and small letter both. So I will write this is the code for small letter, and also again I will write for capital letter because given input will also may be capital letter or small letter. So this will be capital A and will be small capital Z. Okay. Now, if this statement is true, then we can show that it is alphabet. So I will print what I will print system.out.print. So we can copy that dot out dot print and display message here. ch1 is alphabet. Is alphabet. So this message is if block. Now, if this is not correct, then it may be digit or special character. So I have to write else if because here is three conditions. So we cannot use direct else statement. So I will write else if in else if we will write ch1 should be less than sorry greater than 0 and ch1 is less than 9, less than or equal to 9. We have to use equal also because it may be equal to, here will be also equal. So if this condition will be true, then we can say that this will be digit. So I will then copy this and print this message. This will be not alphabet digit, will show digit. And next, if given input is not alphabet nor digit, so we can sure only this is special character. Else, so I have not write here any condition. I can write this is a special character. So I will copy message, paste, and change this message. This is special character. So this is complete code for case 2. After that, we have to break this. So I have to break. Now we will move case 3. Aligned. I'm aligning this proper so that it will look like good. Now I'm writing case C. Small c and capital C also. If given character is matched with capital C or small c, then what we will do? The question, if given choice is C or capital C or small c, it will be checked for vowel or consonant. So I have to check vowel or consonant. So here I'm making block for capital C or small c. So in this block, I have to take a character and check it. This is capital letter, vowel or consonant. So first of all, I have to take a variable, character variable input. So I am copying this code again instead of writing again and again. And name will be different, will be CS2. And after taking the input, I am writing condition to check vowel or consonant. If any letter I have to, if any character I have to check that this character is vowel or consonant or any other thing. So first of all, I will check this is vowel, this is alphabet or not. If it is alphabet, so that we can check this is vowel or consonant. If that is not alphabet, so we cannot check vowel or consonant. We cannot say anything. So first of all, I will check this is alphabet or not given input. So I will write if to check alphabet. I have written here code. So I will copy this condition again. First of all, I will check this given input is alphabet or not, so that we can check given inputs are vowel or consonant. So if it is alphabet, I will check. So I have to change ch2 because here is ch2 variable we are using, not ch1. Okay. So in this section, I will write if this statement 2, then that means it is a alphabet. So if it is alphabet, so I can check this is vowel or consonant. So to check vowel, what will be vowel? Vowel will be a, e, I, o, u. So I will compare variable ch, each character a, e, I, o, u, different time. I will check each character with vowels. So I will write ch2 different time, ch2 equals to a, and I have to write again capital A or same code because it may be capital A or small a both, and connect with or operator, capital, and I'm paste multiple times so that I can change and use this. A capital A, E capital E, I capital I, O capital O, and last is U capital U. Next will be capital U. So capital U. I have to compare each vowels one by one so that we can see I have to increase the size of it. So if this statement is true, that means given input is vowel. If he given input is correct match with character A or small a, E, I, U, O, U, any character, so we can say that will be input will be vowel. So I will print message system.out.print. This is vowel. System.out.print given input is, yeah, given. I want to write here ch2 is is vowel, and in the else section we can write consonant. Consonant. So here, and if given input is not vowel or consonant, any special character, so we can display message enter the else. In the else section I can give message please enter valid alphabet. I can write this message input a alphabet. Input and now I am formatting this so that it will be easy to understand. Now this is complete, but here is case is missing also. That is what? That is here is the bracket. I have to check this again. After completing this program, I will check all the brackets. This now will be bracket. This is extra bracket. It will be closed here and else have no block. And now I have to make it extra closing bracket. Now after this case, I have to write a default case. If user will not input A, B, or C, so that it will be run. Default case. In the default case, we will give the message enter a valid input A, B, or C. Enter the valid input A, B or C. That means if user is type different, that A, B, C, other than A, B, C, so E, F, R, A, I, J, K may be, right? So it will be execute. So this is the complete code. Now I am trying to run each case one by one. Now compiling this to syntax error. Now I am trying to run this. First of all, I have to menu, have to input A, B. So first of all, I am giving capital A input, enter a character. Just I am entering here in the first section for first section to check uppercase or lowercase. So I am putting lowercase. So yes, capital uppercase. So it is uppercase. That's correct. Now again, I'm running this program. I have to check multiple times with different input. I am giving small a, and now I will write small letter. So it is lower. Now it is correct also. Now I had a different input B, a character. In this character alphabet, I think is we check alphabet is special characters. So I have to take 7. This is 8. Correct. Now again I am running this capital B, and A is alphabet. So this is character. This is different message. I have to check again and correct it. Here it will be, it want to show that this is not alphabet, not a special character, but it is showing different. So I'm trying to find out where is mistake in this program. So this is correct code, but something went from less than 9 and greater than or equal to 0. It is making some mistake, and I am checking under case, and after that I will try to solve this problem. If I give input C and giving I, because it is checking AEI vowel. Here is I am doing a under mistake, because here I have to use break, because it will be default, automatic runs default, which is not good for our program. So I have to correction here. This I will use here a break before the close CSC break, so that it will not move to default case. automatically. And here is a mistake. I am trying to find this mistake that I am checking now. In this program, in this code, I am making mistake two places here. When I writing this condition in B section, in the A section, this is correct. I am written correctly. But when I type this section, I forget to write assignment operator. That means equal to operator. I am written here. I was written here. CH is greater than A. But here I want to write CS is greater than or equal to. And here is also greater less than or equal to. And this code will be correct. And I copied this code in this line also. So this code will be also changed. This will be also used equals to greater than or equal to less than or equal. So now I am trying to run this code so that I can check our output, it is correct or not. So when I run, run B part, and I am first of all I am giving a alphabet, and A is alphabet. It shows correct output. When I give input tell B, and now I am giving a digit here, and digit, it will be digit. And when I give input different, C, and I, it is vowel. When I give again input B, and giving a special character, then output should be a special character. This is desired output. So I hope you have understood this code. Thank you.